Welcome to the channel Pocket Full of Questions. Today's question is, what are some main types of landforms and water bodies? The Earth's surface is extremely diverse. It is composed of many different types of landforms and bodies of water. Landforms and bodies of water are natural features of Earth's surface that are formed over many years of erosion, weathering, and other forces. A landform is a naturally formed feature on Earth's surface, often with a recognizable shape and size. It is formed by different forces of nature such as water, ice, wind, and movement of tectonic plates, while a water body is a significant accumulation of water on the surface of Earth. Landforms vary in size and shape as well as elevation levels. Mountains, plains, and plateaus are main types of landforms, while deserts, forest, hill, valley, island, and volcano are some landforms as well. Okay, now we are going to see at different landforms one by one. Mountain, a large natural elevation of Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding level. It usually has steep sloping sides and sharp or rounded ridges and a high point called peak or summit, as you can see in this picture. What is a plateau? A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. It is a flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area, as you can see in this picture. As you can see here, plains are wide, flat stretches of land. They are not more than 200 meters above the mean sea level. Plains are very fertile. Desert: a desert is a dry, hot, and sandy stretch of land with very little vegetation, as you can see in this picture. Deserts do not get rain and are considered as the driest place on the earth. The vegetation of deserts and the animals that live over there, they are totally different than other parts of the world. Forest is a large area dominated by trees. Forests are an intricate ecosystem on Earth that contains trees, shrubs, grasses, and more, and wildlife exists in forest as well. Hill is a landform that rises slightly higher than the surrounding area. It is not as high or as steep as a mountain, but it has a distinct summit. A valley is a long depression or ditch in Earth's surface. It usually lies between ranges of hills or mountains. Island is an area of land smaller than a continent and entirely surrounded by water. Islands may occur in oceans, seas, lakes, or rivers, as you can see in this picture. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Active volcanoes are those that erupt regularly. Water bodies are important source of transportation and vegetation. They include ocean, sea, river, and lakes. As you can see in this picture, the ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers about 71% of Earth's surface. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean in the order of their size. Sea refers to a body of salt water that is smaller in size than the ocean. And what is the difference between sea and ocean? That sea is usually part of a large ocean that is partially enclosed by land. A river is a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake, or another water body. In other words, we can say that a river flows down the mountains and normally ends up into a sea, lake, or another water body. Lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. The lake gets its water supply from the drainage of the river, and most of the lakes in the world contain fresh water. That's all. Thanks for watching.